Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Shillong City District sngi Larakhi lyngkhuh jingïap kaba shispa khmer puis nam dong tirot sing ban buram yo unil nongele lai lut bapau nam jong kajala badang tengik ban ai men si mek pai ba bagi samla hadup menta lasang yak program dakaba bu sentiu hau durmat jong utirot sing kum kadak kajingro bat kajingyo buram.
As a new day begins in Yuda, the heart of Shillong comes alive. Every morning here begins with purpose, determination, and hope. For generations, this market has been more than a place of trade. It is where hard work, tradition, and community come together every single day. Utiro Singh defended the land, freedom, and dignity of his people. Today, we honor that legacy by preserving our heritage, supporting local livelihoods, and serving our communities with honesty. Patriotism lives in honest work, kindness, and building a united India. From Utiro Singh to Nation First, the spirit of patriotism lives on. In every hardworking hand, every shared tradition, and every citizen who puts the nation before self.
Every day is the same. Problems everywhere. People talk about change, but nothing really changes. What can people like us even do?
Maybe that's what people once thought too about Rupang Singh.
What do you mean?
He stood against a power greater than his own because his land, his people, and their freedom were worth fighting for.
That was a different time. Not fighting a war.
Not the same war, but every generation has something worth fighting for.
So maybe the question isn't what can we do, it's what can I do?
Today, we fight by protecting our land, speaking up for our people, and refusing to forget who we are. We may not fight the same battles as Utiro Singh, but his courage still echoes through these hills, reminding us that every generation has something worth fighting for.